I am a big believer that eventually asset-based coins will replace small-cap stocks. The SEC has built some platforms that they've allowed to be dealer brokers to issue these. There's a big deal coming in New York in the next 3 weeks. I'm involved in it. It's under NDA, but it's $400 million coin issuance for a real estate asset that you've heard of.
What?
And yes, I'm going to bring this forward as soon as I can disclose it.
Tell me what you can.
So the idea is that an owner of a very prestigious brand hotel in this city is going to internationally issue an asset-based coin for ownership, and you'll participate in the distribution of a smart contract through the blockchain. You will be an owner of a third of this hotel.
Wow.
If this works, it's going to be the first of its kind. I'm very excited about it.
Because it's real assets behind the whole thing.
And it's SEC approved. This is the issuance, instead of a stock, a share, it's a coin with a smart contract approved by the SEC. I'm excited about it. I'm involved in it. I hope it works.
But that's very different than Bitcoin.
But that's where we're going with this thing. That's where we're going to go with this Coinbase stuff.
What is it, just a more securitized way of doing this?
It's completely liquid, completely transparent, and the smart contract gives you ownership in perpetuity. You can sell the coin to somebody. The blockchain smart contract discloses
So this
that.
really puts on its head the notion of going public. I mean, instead of going public on the New York Stock Exchange, you're here at the NASDAQ, for instance, you could do this, right? Cut out the investment bankers potentially, or limit their fees.
I'm in glee over
and you're
this.
giving investors assets as opposed to an ICO, initial coin offering, in which there may not be anything there. It's more like a donation to the company.
Sure, and the issuer is thinking, instead of paying 5 to 7% commission, they may get millions of people buying $20 or $50 worth of this asset. So the cost of the issuance is very low, if it works. Yeah. So, you know, I'm excited, but let's wait and see.
If it works, you're going to see tremors across Wall Street, because that's going to disrupt.
It's 400 million.
Here.
It's a big number. It's enough to. That's not a huge number on Wall Street, but it's enough to say this works.
Can we book you right now?
I will come back, and I will be. I just, you know, I wish I'm really excited about it. I've been working on it now for 2 months.
Yeah.
And
well, the details that you've given us right now are already exciting enough.
They're exciting, and I think there's a lot of others looking at this. The key is to go to the regulator and say, I want to work with you. I don't want to tear the world apart. I want to be regulated. I want to do this by the rules. You know, I've done so many of these crypto conferences where people are, you know, anarchists. I want to destroy government and all that stuff. I don't want to destroy any government. I want to make money.
How much money is this going to raise?
It'll be the issuance. The market cap's 400 million.
So it's going to be one of the biggest.
It will be the biggest
initial offerings to date.
If it works.
Yeah.
And you said that it's SEC approved.
SEC approved.
I mean, the difference is that the SECs are against ICOs, which don't have assets behind it, but because this is securitized,
and there's a prospectus.
They are behind it. Yeah, exactly. As long as you have the marketing materials, just like any other offering.
All online with a smart contract and ownership to an asset-based coin. I'm very excited.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.